What's up everybody, Varun here. This is last episode of the series in which I told you the great online courses for various engineering streams. In this video, we are counting down top 5 online courses for computer engineers. As we know, there are always going to be certain changes when it comes to computer engineering. From big data to machine learning, there are always going to be changes. So in order to cope up with this, there are certain courses on Coursera, EDX or other platforms. In this video, I'm going to show you just that. So without further ado now, let's get started. On number 5 on our list is Virtual Internship by KPMG, which is a big Australian tech firm. The internship covers in about big data and also we get to work along KPMG data analytic team. The internship is provided on Inside Sherpa and is free to enroll and certification. So don't miss out on that. Number 4 on our list is Deep Learning Specialization by deeplearning.ai. The course deals with understanding neural networks, machine learning, and so much more. The course is taught by co-founder of Coursera and Stanford Professor Andrew Ng. The courses in this specialization are free to enroll, but for certification you need to pay. Number 3 is Google IT Automation on Coursera. The certificate include various courses including Python learning, GitHub, troubleshooting and more. The course is free to enroll, but for certification you need to pay. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you would get notified each time a new video is up. On number 2 is CS50 Introduction to Game Development by HarvardX on EDX. The course deals with development of 2D and 3D games including Mario, Angry Birds, Flappy Bird and more. The course is free to enroll, but for certification you need to pay. The course gives you a hands-on experience as well, so don't miss out on that. Before moving further, here are some honorable mentions. So revealing our number 1 spot is Python for Everybody on Coursera by University of Michigan. The course is Best Python Course on Coursera. Dr. Charles Severin teaches you every detail in fun way. If you are a beginner and don't know anything about Python or programming, this is the course you need to start with. If you are a pro or an intermediate level, don't take this course, move out on the other courses on the list. So here's my verdict. If you are interested in deep learning, machine learning, then go for deep learning specialization on Coursera. But if you are interested in cloud computing, then go for cloud engineering by Google. And if you are interested in game development, go for CS50 Introduction to Game Development by Harvard University. Make sure to like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.